Part 1. How to reset Apple ID password using iPhone Unlocker. With iPhone Unlocker, you can remove the original Apple ID and enter a new one. Step 1. Launch the iPhone Unlocker on your computer and select the Unlock Apple ID mode. Step 2. Connect your iOS device to your computer, then click Start to Unlock to begin the process. Step 3. If Find My is disabled, the program will start unlocking your Apple ID. If Find My iPhone is enabled, go to Settings General, reset all settings to disable it first. Step 4. Wait a moment, and the program will successfully unlock your Apple ID with no hassle. Part 2. How to reset Apple ID password via settings. If you have normal access to your device, you can also reset the password through the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your device and tap the Apple ID profile at the top to access your personal information page. Step 2. On the Apple ID page, find and tap the password and security option. Step 3. The system will prompt you to enter your device's unlock password to verify your identity. After entering it, tap Change Password. Step 4. Follow the prompts to enter a new password and confirm the change is complete. Part 3. How to reset Apple ID password on Mac. If you want to reset your Apple ID password on your Mac, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to System Preferences, Apple ID Password and Security, change password. Step 2. When prompted, enter the password used to unlock your Mac. Step 3. Click Allow to proceed. Step 4. Enter a new Apple ID password and click Change to complete the process.